You're looking at the 2026 Hyundai Tucson, not just a carryover, but a subtle evolution. On first glance, it's familiar, yet there are cues telling you Hyundai is pushing things forward. The grille becomes more geometric, the lighting sharper and more confident, and the surfaces cleaner, more sculpted. It's not radical, but it feels more refined, more deliberate. Slide into the driver's seat, and you're met with a thoughtful mix of futurism and usability. The Tucson now offers dual 12.3-inch displays up front, one for the instrument cluster, one for infotainment, merging into a sleek digital sweep. The center console is a little more streamlined, controls are more intuitive, and you get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to keep your smartphone seamlessly integrated. The materials are better, soft touches, contrast stitching, optional leather, and the cabin feels bright and modern, aided by ambient lighting. On higher trims, there's a panoramic sunroof, heated and ventilated seats. Rear seat heating, little touches that elevate daily life. But it's not all about looks. Under the hood, the standard engine is a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder, producing around 187 horsepower and paired with an 8-speed automatic. Front-wheel drive is standard. All-wheel drive is available. Car and driver +2 Hyundai USA +2. It's not going to win drag races, but it delivers solid, composed performance for city commuting and highway cruising. The ride is comfortable, stable, and the steering gives enough feedback to keep driving, engaging, without being tiring. Car and driver if you want more punch and better efficiency. The hybrid version is a strong option. It pairs a 1.6-liter turbo-gas engine with an electric motor, producing about 226 horsepower and 258 pounds-ft of torque. MotorTrend +2 car and driver +2 in tests. It hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 6.9 seconds. That's pretty respectable for a compact SUV. MotorTrend, every hybrid Tucson comes standard with a WD, making it versatile in varying road conditions. MotorTrend, from a fuel economy standpoint, the regular gas version is estimated at around 28 mpg combined. 25 city, 33 highway in FWD form, Hyundai USA +2, Edmunds +2, while the hybrid trims push those numbers even further, depending on region. KBB.com +1, so you get a nice balance. When you need power, it's there. When you want efficiency, it's not far behind. One thing I like, Tucson's driving dynamics feel confident even though it's not a sports SUV. The suspension soaks up bumps well, and there's a calmness to the way it moves over imperfect roads that gives a sense of assurance. The steering is neither numb nor twitchy, just a satisfying middle ground. Car and driver +1 now. These things are a big part of the story, but the Tucson's real strength lies in what it offers to daily life. Cargo space is practical. With all seats in place, you get about 38.7 cubic feet. Edmunds +1 fold the rear seats, and you gain flexibility for larger loads. The rear seats themselves are comfortable enough legroom, decent headroom, and features like rear seat heating are welcome touches in cold weather trims. Premium trims even add power-adjustable front seats, memory settings, and heated rear seats. VanderGriffHyundai.com. Plus, one Hyundai also leans hard on safety and driver assistance. The Tucson now includes Hyundai's SmartSense suite, autonomous emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control with lane centering, and some enhanced highway assist features. Hyundai USA Plus for Copilot, Plus for Korean car blog, Plus for a newer trims. Features like power-adjustable seats, heated rear seats, and upgraded ADAS are bundled to raise the baseline. Korean car blog +1. One interesting new twist is the optional black exterior or black trim themes in some markets, which wrap the wheels and accents in black, giving the Tucson a more muscular, aggressive presence. Korean car blog +1 also. Hyundai has introduced or extended what they call the H-Pick trim, which blends advanced driver assistance, power seats, and additional comfort features. Korean car blog +1 on reliability and warranty. Tucson stays competitive. The standard warranty in many markets is 5 years over 60,000 miles. Edmunds +2 Hyundai also often backs their powertrains more generously. Over time, user reviews indicate that the Tucson's electronics, especially on infotainment and connectivity, may experience glitches occasionally, freezing screens or CarPlay. Dropouts are repeated complaints in owner forums, so that's something to keep in mind. Edmunds +1, if I were filming this live. I'd also point out how Tucson feels day to day. You get a smooth, quiet ride at highway speeds. Road noise and wind are well controlled. Acceleration is linear and consistent. There's no jerkiness in normal driving. The braking feels precise and confidence inspiring. In tighter turns or twistier roads, it doesn't feel sporty, but it holds itself well. You don't sense undue body roll or instability unless you push it hard for a buyer. The choice comes down to use case. If most of your driving is suburban or highway commuting, the regular gas version gives you simplicity, reasonable performance, and good MPG if you want more punch and better long-term fuel savings. Or live in a climate with varied weather. The hybrid AWD option becomes quite attractive. In short, the 2026 Hyundai Tucson is a strong middle ground compact SUV. It doesn't aim to be exotic, and it doesn't try to push you into extremes. What it does is wrap together smart design, a comfortable and modern interior, solid performance, and strong safety features, all in a familiar, dependable package. For many buyers, that translates to a great everyday SUV that balances features, usability, and value.